Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. You voted for your favorite craft from our Crafting Magic Lookbook, and today we have the winning tutorial, Magical Moon Art, featuring beautiful prints and soft pastel florals with sweet melon and earthy ochre tones from Crafting Magic by Maureen Cracknell. Here's what you'll need to get started. Fabric A, Moment in Time. Fabric B, Gingerbread. Fabric C, Marmalade. Moon templates. Foam stabilizer. Steam-a-seam. Filling. Pins and scissors. We'll begin by cutting out 2 circles of fabric B using the template. Stitch around the perimeter at 1/4 inch, leaving a gap for turning. Turn right side out and press. Fill with a piece of foam stabilizer cut using the template with the seam allowance removed. And sew the opening closed. Now take a piece of fabric A and fold in half, right sides together. Place your template on top of the fabric and trace with a marking pen. Sew just outside the traced line at about 1/8 inch, pivoting at the corners. Leave a gap for turning out later. Turn right side out and press. Trace the facial features onto steam-a-seam, following the instructions on the package. Cut out and attach to the moon using the template as a guide. Press to secure. Fill the moon lightly with stuffing. Pin the moon in place on the circular shape. Stitch with a blanket stitch or edge stitch to secure. Use a hair marker or a marking pen to draw lines radiating out from the mouth of the moon to give the appearance of wind blowing. Stitch or quilt as desired. Add a quilt sleeve to the back to hang your beautiful and very magical moon art and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!